Oh,
This stuff's nasty. How you gonna do that? Everybody knows you. This is crazy.
1 second.
no problem.
Ugh.
You're right. Oh. What all about it?
I was here to say that.
What's up?
You're texting me all the time.
Is she good? You can do those good? Alright. Let's see what.
Why are you taking a picture of me?
You don't like that? You don't like me taking pictures of me?
Oh, why would you?
Because I want to. You stand in front of my door, so.
I'm standing in front of his door.
Oh, so not. Why are you looking at me?
I'm waiting for him. What the fuck, bro? Are you dumb?
No.
He's coming.
Oh, so then why are you looking at me?
Oh, well, come on, man.
Go inside. Go inside. Go inside. Step inside. Step inside.
She knocked the pizza down, bro.
Step inside. Step inside. Come on. Come on. Step inside.
I ain't hit no bell, man.
Step inside. Step inside, man. So scared.
She knocked the pizza down.
Step inside. Step inside. Deliver the pizza. Step inside. What you want to do?
Deliver the
So
pizza.
then go to the pizza. Stand here and stay. I'll stand here with you till the door opens. Let's wait for the pizza.
Deliver it.